Want a bathroom that shines and a kitchen that sparkles but don't want to spend the hours cleaning? The RYOBI 18-volt 1 Plus Compact Power Scrubber will help you do just that. It's powered by an 18-volt 1 Plus battery to save your elbow grease, which used to be the only way to get things really clean around the house. It's also waterproof, so you can get it wet without damaging the battery or the tool. Just make sure that battery housing is fully closed. It's great in the bathroom to give shower screens and tiles a really good clean, especially the grout. The bathroom floor tiles, splashbacks, basins and taps will appreciate a total going over too. In the kitchen, the dreaded dirty oven can be brought back to its former glory. Just check with the manufacturer of any cleaning products you use with the nylon brush head. And it's great outside too. The barbie can get the deep clean you've been promising for so long without getting your hands dirty. It also works wonders on flower pots, sheds, doors and windows too. Oh, and don't forget your ride. It's fantastic for cleaning car wheels and car mats. It comes with a medium stiffness brush for general cleaning. You can also get a soft bristle brush for delicate jobs or a hard bristle brush for the tougher ones. The 1 Plus Compact Power Scrubber is lightweight and has a comfortable non-slip grip, so you can use it everywhere around the home. Get one now and give your home that spring clean feeling all year round.
RYOBI, a cut above.